Laser cutters and engravers are exploding in popularity. But with so many options, picking the right one can be overwhelming. This video will break down the top 5 laser cutters and engravers of 2024, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs and budget. Let's carve into the best of the best. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. xTool P2. The xTool P2 offers comprehensive capabilities for efficient and precise laser cutting, whether it's for personal projects at home or in a small workshop setting. With a range of accessories included, such as those for cutting long materials up to 3 meters and handling round tumblers and glasses, this machine accommodates various cutting needs across different materials, including glass and transparent acrylic. Its software features are notable, providing robust design tools to help users create and customize their cutting projects according to their requirements. Additionally, the built-in camera aids in material alignment, although users should exercise caution when working near the camera's edge limits to avoid distortions caused by the fisheye lens. For added convenience and safety, the bundle includes starter materials to kickstart projects and a fire safety system to ensure peace of mind during operation. Overall, the xTool P2 presents a comprehensive solution for laser cutting enthusiasts seeking efficiency and versatility in their projects. Number 2. Glowforge Aura. The introduction of the Glowforge Aura marks a significant shift, bringing the power and convenience of Glowforge's technology into the realm of home crafting workshops. Unlike its predecessors designed for industrial or commercial use, the Aura is compact enough to comfortably fit in a household setting and comes at a much more accessible price point. One of the standout features of Glowforge machines has always been their user-friendly interface and intuitive software. With the Aura, this remains a highlight as users can create designs directly from a web browser and seamlessly translate them into cutting, engraving, or scoring tasks. The software simplifies the process by allowing users to preview designs using an image of the Glowforge itself as a blueprint, ensuring precise placement and execution. Furthermore, Glowforge's software ecosystem offers a vast library of fonts and images to enhance creative projects, although access to certain features may require a subscription. Despite increasing competition in the laser cutter market, the Aura stands out for its unparalleled convenience and ease of use, making it a compelling choice for home crafters seeking professional quality results. Number 3. xTool F1. It sounds like the xTool F1 is a versatile and enjoyable maker tool, especially for those who frequently attend events like trade shows, conferences, or farmers markets. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to transport, allowing users to take their projects on the go. The bundle of accessories adds to its versatility, enabling users to etch batches of products efficiently. The software's user-friendly interface facilitates project alignment and tracing, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. The F1's popularity at the STEM fair for primary school kids speaks to its appeal and usability, particularly for educational or promotional events. While the price may be relatively high for its cutting area size, its potential for generating income at events like farmers markets makes it a worthwhile investment for those willing to put in the effort. Overall, it seems like a tool that offers both fun and practicality for makers of various backgrounds and interests. Number 4. Flux Beamo. The Beamo may be the smallest in Flux's lineup, but its capabilities are far from limited. Despite its compact size, the 30-watt laser packs enough power to etch glass and cut through materials like wood, leather, and acrylic with ease. For etching onto steel, an additional diode laser may be necessary. One standout feature of the Beamo is its touchscreen interface, which allows for easy control directly from the device itself. This means users can operate the Beamo from their workshop without needing a computer connected to it. Additionally, Flux offers a dedicated app that enables users to control the Beamo directly from their smartphone, adding convenience and flexibility to the user experience. Number 5. xTool S1. The S1 laser addresses common issues found in diode lasers by offering a higher power output of 40 watts, enabling it to cut through materials like wood up to 18 mm thick in a single pass, albeit at a slower pace. Additionally, it features a robust enclosure with a green lid designed to filter the laser's light and an active exhaust system to remove smoke generated during cutting. One notable inclusion in the basic kit is Air Assist, a feature essential for laser cutting that helps prevent scorching by directing a stream of air onto the material being cut. The honeycomb cutting surface further aids in reducing scorching on the underside of materials. However, the S1 lacks a built-in camera, which would enhance user convenience by allowing for easier alignment and placement of designs. Despite this drawback, the S1 offers a safer and more efficient laser cutting experience compared to many other diode lasers on the market. Still unsure? No worries. There's no single best option because it depends on your needs. But based on what we covered in this video, the xTool P2 stands out as a fantastic all-rounder for its power, features, and enclosed design. However, if you have a specific project in mind, let me know in the comments below, and I'll help you find your perfect laser match.